Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to password protect your Windows PC and laptop. Now this is very easy to do. All you need to do is press on the start menu here, come up to the pin section where you should find your settings. If you don't, you can search for them here in the search box, or right click on the startup menu and select settings from the pop-up menu. Once you're in the settings, come to account here on the left hand side. Scroll down to sign in options and select that. Then you can see password here. Sign in with your account's password. Drop this down and we'll see here use a password to sign in to Windows, apps and services. Select add. Now we need to add a new, confirm the new password and add a password hint. Select next to confirm it, and next time you try logging in to your Windows it'll be password protected. So hopefully that helps you out how to add a password to protect Windows PC and laptop. If this helps you out, don't forget smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.